In this video, we are going to see the continuation of word problems related to consecutive numbers. Find the three consecutive integers such that the sum of the second and third is 9. So it's just consecutive integers. So we are going to guess the three numbers as n plus 1 and n plus 2. This is the format of writing the consecutive numbers. So the condition is sum of the second and third is 39, right? So n plus 1 plus n plus 2, which is equal to 39. So 2n, which is equal to 36. So n is equal to 12. Right, so the first number is going to be 12, 13, and third number is 14. So these are the three numbers they are looking for. Okay, now we'll move on to the next problem. Find two consecutive even integers. So even integers are written as 2n plus 2. So this is the general format. So when we add these two integers in a way like sum of the larger and 3 times the smaller. So smaller number is 3 times, and when we add this condition, the sum is 234. So 2n plus 2 plus 6n is equal to 234. So n is equal to 29. Okay, here the first number is 2n. So 2 times 29 is 54 plus 2 is the 58. And the next number is 60. We'll move on to the next problem. Find three consecutive odd integers such that the sum of the first twice the second, 3 times the third is 70. So there are three consecutive odd integers, which we can write it as 2n plus 1, 2n plus 3, 2n plus 5. These are the three consecutive odd integers. Okay, first number it has to be the same, and second number we have to twice it. So 2 times 2n plus 3. Third number is 3 times of it. So 3 times 2n plus 5, which is equal to 17. Okay, so when we add all these things, it is going to be 12n, which is equal to 48, and n is going to be 4. Okay, so they're asking for three numbers. 2n plus 1 is the first number. So 2 times 4 plus 1, that is 9. So the second number is 11, and the third number is 13. Okay, the next sum is the sum of the least and greatest of the three consecutive integers. It's just consecutive integers. So n plus 1, n plus 2. Okay, least and the greatest. So least is n, the greatest is n plus 2. Sum of this is going to be 62. So it is so simple, right? So n is equal to 30. So the first number is going to be 31, second is 31, third is 32. Okay, so we'll dive into a small intricate problem. Three consecutive even integers are such that the sum of the smallest and 3 times the second is 38 more than the twice the third. Okay, so three consecutive even integers. So first let us guess. So in the even, right? So 2n plus 2, 2n plus 4. Okay, then sum of the smallest, that is this 2n plus 3 times the second, 3 times the second, that is 3 times 2n plus 2, is 38 more than. So whenever we read the word more than, second comes the first, that is twice the third. Okay, the second part of the sentence comes first, so that is twice the third is 2 times 2n plus 4. Now we'll read the first part of the sentence, that is 38 more, so plus 38. We saw some examples in the age related problems, right? So whenever there is a sentence with more than or less than or greater than, something like that, second part of the sentence is stated first and then we followed by the first part of the sentence. Here the second part of the sentence is twice the third, the first part of the sentence is more, 38. So we have to add 38 with this. Now solving this equation is going to be simpler. 2n plus 6n plus 6, which is equal to 4n plus 8 plus 38. When we solve that, we get the n is equal to 10. Okay, the first number is 2n, so it is 20. Second number is in even integers, so 22 and 24. So these are the three consecutive even integers. Okay, so next question and the final question for today is, two consecutive integers are such that 3 times the larger exceeds twice the smaller by 34. Okay, so two consecutive integers, so n plus 1. 3 times the larger, so this is the larger number, so 3 times the larger exceeds the smaller number. Okay, it exceeds the smaller number by a difference of 34. That means the second number minus the first number, which is going to be 44. Exceeds 34 means it is making some difference with the other number, which is going to be 34. So 3n plus 3 minus n is equal to 34 and n is equal to 31. Okay, so n is equal to 31 and the second number is 32. Let us just check whether it is working or not. So what they are asking is 3 times the larger number is 32, so 3 times of it is 96. 2 times of the smaller, that is 30, 1 times 2, which is equal to 62. So what is the difference? It is 34, right? So the answer is correct. Hope you have understood all the problems that I explained today. So if you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section, and please share the videos and subscribe the channel so that you will get the newer videos notification. Thank you for watching.